Hello team, today we're going to review Streamline Server release August 2023. Let's start. New connector has been added, the fishbowl. It can be now used to create a project. Additionally, ability to upload data from multiple Excel CSV files in the transactional spreadsheet connection has been added. You can upload up to 9 documents. Let me demonstrate. So now, in case the data needed for the project is located in separate documents, you can select them from the drop-down menu list once they are uploaded, and you can choose the sheet on the drop-down menu on the right. So let's go next. Now the feature that has been added is the ability to zoom the plot. So simply by using the mouse wheel, you can scroll in and scroll backwards in order to zoom in and zoom out on the plot. Also, there have been some significant performance improvements for the demand forecasting, for the reports, and for the product tree as well, and some UI UX improvements. Another small feature that has been added, it's the ability to show running projects only. So if you go to your project list, you right click the status here. There is a drop down with a button that allows you to stop displaying the projects that are not running at the moment. That is pretty much it. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for your time.